Hello and welcome everybody. GTII stock on 26 November. So let's see that is going to be about the price prediction, which is going to be on 1 day update. So this going to be very fine for everybody who start on this stock. So I think that according to what we want for the next part is that start part, and this is going to be the ending part as a price that is going to be to returns to its stability. Okay, it's a value of 43 cents. So since it increased, it made this decrease and it returns to its 43 cents again. But the next part that has increased was the same value, it made a larger spike. So that means for GTII that it will give us a longer period during the decrease in momentum, and then it will give us another huge huge increase in momentum with ladders that can return back with a larger one, and that what can be thought about GTII to be explained on this video.